So you've opened up an RTI and now you need to progress monitor to show how they're doing. So about a week after you open the RTI, go back in and do some note-taking and progress monitoring. So find your student. Let's pretend this says 11/8/2019, though it doesn't. You would click here to open the plan, and then you click on the Plan tab and find the period that you're progress monitoring. Do the drop-down menu and choose Progress Monitoring. Under Progress Monitoring, as you can see, we are working on fractions. So she's gone from a 60 to a 67 because you've already progress monitored once. You're going to add a new one, and you're going to choose today's date. The area for which we are progress monitoring, the resources, those will automatically load according to what you have chosen ahead of time in the RTI setup phase, and you might choose to write an anecdotal note. Might help if I knew how to spell. Denominator, that looks right. Okay, so let's say that she actually made a 70 on her most recent quiz for fractions. So now you can see there was an initial grade, a progress monitoring grade, which was a week-ish later. Let's pretend this is a week later. This is a dummy account, so I couldn't get it exactly right, but this is what it looks like when you progress monitor a student. It's actually the easiest step, and these actually should be under math, but it's okay if it shows up under all. And to look and see at a glance if your student is making progress, then you can load the chart, and you'll see the initial score was 60, and then the student went up to a 67, and now the student is at 70, which is above. So you could choose, if this was your goal, which it was, you could choose to go ahead and close the RTI or continue to monitor for another couple of weeks and then close it. But anyway, that's how you progress monitor, and that's how you look at a glance at the chart to determine whether you need to close out the RTI or change the goal.